Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this, and it makes me good when people try my little cool designs but he's having trouble when he puts it into here, so when he goes to envelope tool, and let's get a little bit closer, it's always better to get it a little bit closer when you're stretching it, get the envelope tool, but watch what happens when we move it. It's losing the interactive fill tool. It's losing the effect, and he wants it to have that effect. So my suggestion would, one, start all the way over, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video how you can make this a little brighter, because it's already kind of a little bit dim, but we're going to convert it to a bitmap, and by doing that it makes it a little bit dimmer still. But then when you grab the envelope tool, if we created a new one, so we have to delete these, and it slows down your computer, or slows down mine. So I'm going to select all four and right click, turn those into a line. And then with the, let's get a little closer, get the envelope tool again. Come on, baby. I must have moved something. There's something right there I need. Something in the drawing. Let me just back up here when I move the bitmap. So, there we go. Now get the envelope tool and just move. I did not make them a line, so select them all. Well, I actually did, but I backed up too far. And then put them in your, and I did the same thing. I need to just move with the shape tool, move these to this corner. And see, I don't know if you can see that, I've got a little delay on my graphic, just because there's so much going on with this interactive field. So my suggestion, and it does work, but it's not a very good graphic because it's so light. So then we're going to control D, and a lot of times it's easier just to move the box out of the way. And we're going to control D. I think there's two of these, so I'm going to move this to there. And I'm going to rotate it this time just 60 degrees to put it there. Then I'm going to control D and have to come off of here. And I think I'm a little bit off on my rotation. And then go back 60 degrees. So put 300 and you have that. So I was a little bit off on my rotation on that first one, so it put the whole thing off. But you understand what I was doing. So my suggestion is to make your graphic a little brighter if you're going to turn it to a bitmap. So let's do this. Let's make a rectangle or a square. Let's make it red. And then when you use the interactive fill tool, do a couple of steps that'll make it a little brighter. So we're going to go from that edge to that edge. We're going to go and put red on both sides. We'll go and put that white in the middle, or roughly to the middle. I didn't hit the line. You need to hit the line. And see how it kind of overshadows the red, and let's go ahead and go and smooth it out a little bit. But then let's add two more reds to give it more of a distinct look. And then when you turn, so let's make a duplicate of this and put it to the side. I'm going to turn that one into a bitmap. Now this time, because it's redder, it'll lighten it up a little bit, but it's a lot more brighter than the one he had. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.